Hey, it's Bryce here from Wet Sounds, here to talk about the top 5 audio components in our Harley-Davidson kits. Number 1, front fairing kit. In this kit, we'll start with the 0 6.5-inch speakers. We move on to our 4-channel SP4100 amplifier. We also have our road glide and street glide grills, our radio T harness, and our pre-programmed DSP. Everything you need to upgrade your system is included in this kit. Number 2, saddlebag kit. Included in our saddlebag kit, you will receive a pair of our 6x9 zero coaxial speakers, our saddlebag lid cut template, the 6x9 saddlebag mount, and the speaker grill. You've also received a dedicated 150 watt by 2 amplifier, all pre-made wiring harnesses to run to the fairing, and we even include a hole saw to drill through for the pass-through wire connector in your saddlebag. And that covers everything included in your new saddlebag kit. Number 3, lower fairing kit. Now we'll go over our lower fairing speaker kit. Included with this kit is a pair of our 0 6.5 coaxial drivers. We also include our Moto 6 grill kit for seamless installation into your OEM Harley lower pods. Just replace the speakers, connect to your factory wires, and you are good to go. That's everything that's included with this kit. Number 4, tour pack kit. Included in our tour pack kit, you will receive a pair of our 6.5-inch zero coaxial speakers, our full replacement tour pack pods, and our 0 6.5-inch grill. It's a very simple, highly effective upgrade for your tour pack system. Number 5, integrated DSP. In our kit, we also include our integrated DSP. We have tuned this in-house to maximize the performance of our 0 speakers. We also include a 5-band EQ, so you can tailor the sound to your preferences. There you have it, the top 5 components of our Wet Sounds Harley-Davidson kits. For more information, head on over to wetsounds.com.